Carlo Joaquin Narvasa, better known as Vice President Sara Duterte's defense attorney CJ, is neither the first to hold that moniker nor the title of attorney. His father is Gregorio too, a founding partner of the Fortune, Narvasa, and Salazar law firm, and the son of late former Chief Justice Andres. He may come from a bloodline of lawyers and is a descendant of a former chief magistrate, but he is known as one of the 16 defense lawyers of Vice President Sara Duterte for her impeachment trial. It's not the first time that the Narvasas are defending a public official facing an impeachment court. Former Chief Magistrate Narvasa, after his retirement, joined the legal team that defended former President Joseph Estrada during his impeachment trial. Although the trial was cut short, Estrada was eventually ousted through the Second DSA People Power Revolution. The former Chief Justice served as the top magistrate from December 1991 to November 1998. Prior to that, he also served as the General Counsel for the Agrava Fact-Finding Commission that probed into the death of the late former Senator Benigno Aquino Jr. He passed away in 2013. Gregorio II, or Ogie, meanwhile, followed in his father's footsteps as a lawyer and passed the bar in 1985, but before this, he played collegiate basketball, was a member of Ateneo's basketball varsity team, and clinched the Most Valuable Player award during the National Collegiate Athletic Association 1975 to 1976 season. He later served as Philippine Basketball League Commissioner from 1992 to 1994, and then as Metroball Basketball Association Commissioner from 2000 to 2001. As for CJ, the youngest Narvasa, he is a self-proclaimed beach guy who loves enjoying his weekends away from work. He was born in 1989. The young Narvasa is an Atenean through and through. He attended Ateneo de Manila grade school, then Ateneo de Manila high school later on. CJ was a popular kid in school. Hair gel, accessories, newest Nokia models, he had all of them. The words I could think of to describe him and his group of friends was that they were abrasive, the type of high schoolers you really wouldn't want near you unless you had business with them. One of Narvasa's schoolmates recalled, in college, he took Bachelor of Arts in English Literature. A few years later, he finished his Juris Doctor from Ateneo Law School and was admitted to the bar in 2016. His bar roll, no, is 65,977. He was a good student, humble actually. It was a class, I think, on constitutional litigation, and he showed already a lot of potential. Tony Lavina, one of Narvasa's law professors. CJ is currently a senior associate at the Fortune, Narvasa, and Salazar law firm. He specializes in the following fields: For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.